The dipper, the dipper, the dipper. It's very hard to photograph in the winter time. There are not many birds, and I'm just constantly looking over, like in the forest and the coast and every place to find some birds to photograph. But I saw a dipper here at the river. It's some icy, snowy stones here. I'm actually going to try to photograph the dipper here, and I'm not sure if it's shy. I have to try. It's so nice out with the snow and beautiful weather, so I have to try. I do not see the dipper right now, but there are some beautiful stones. Probably is too much to hold to get the dipper on the stones with some ice around and some snow. I've never photographed the dipper in the winter before, so that would be really, really cool. I'm guessing it's too much to ask for, but I'm going to stay here anyway because it's been way too long since I've been out photographing and out with my camera, so I'm definitely thirsty for more photography. This is a big part of being a wildlife photographer, being out, seeing nothing. The dipper, the dipper, the dipper. The dipper disappeared. I think I might be too open here. I think if I'm going to have any chance, I need to be a little bit more camouflage. had to move. The dipper here is not too trusty, but it looks like the dipper here is really active around this area, because there are some places where the water is more still and calm, and that is the perfect place for diving down and hunting for food. So I'm definitely going to spend some hours here. I do not reckon I will get any great pictures, but really, really nice to be out. I just had a dipper 10 meters, 15 meters from me. There is actually more activity than I thought when I arrived here. A lot of birds are trying to find some food just in front of me here, but I'm not sure if I got that picture I really want with the nice ice hanging on the rocks. But I'm going to stay a little bit longer. I'm starting to getting cold because it's -4, and I'm sitting here for a while now. It looks like they are a little bit more comfortable that I'm sitting here, because some of them are landing in the stones really close to me. One was really close, but I didn't get the picture and find it in the viewfinder before it like dived down in the water. I tried with a 1/8 of a second to get the water even smoother. I don't know if it works. Hard to hold the fucking camera and the 600mm still with the 1/8 of a second. Okay, I have to put you down in case it comes up back on the stone there. This is so much fun. Experiment with lower shutter speed. It's a great tip for trying to get some different kind of images when you get that slow shutter speed. You got a new look of the images when you do that, smoothing out the water instead of like freezing the water. It's not easy. When you get it right, it's really, really good. It's just a fascinating bird because it's freezing outside. It's 4 minus and the water is ice cold. But the little fella is bathing and looking for food with no problem at all. It's there, it's there.